Dubai's transformation began in the late 1960s when it discovered oil reserves. However, it wasn't the abundance of oil that solely catapulted the city to prosperity. The visionary leaders of Dubai recognized the need to diversify their economy, knowing that oil reserves wouldn't last forever. Under the guidance of the late Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum and his son Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Dubai embarked on an ambitious plan to transform itself into a global business and tourism hub. They implemented policies to attract foreign investments, promote trade, and build world-class infrastructure. Dubai's strategic location, bridging the East and West, played a crucial role in its economic success. The city established itself as a gateway to the Middle East, serving as a trading hub for goods and services. Its open and business-friendly policies attracted entrepreneurs, corporations, and investors from around the world. Recognizing the need to reduce reliance on oil, Dubai focused on diversifying its economy. It invested heavily in sectors such as finance, real estate, tourism, logistics, and information technology. The establishment of free trade zones and the Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, further attracted international companies, fostering economic growth and job creation. The real estate boom in Dubai also played a significant role in its wealth accumulation. The city embarked on ambitious construction projects, including the iconic Palm Jumeirah and Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. These developments not only attracted investors but also boosted the tourism industry. Dubai's focus on tourism and hospitality has been instrumental in its economic growth. The city offers a wide range of attractions, from luxury hotels and resorts to world-class shopping malls, entertainment venues, and cultural landmarks. Events like the Dubai Shopping Festival and Expo 2020 have further cemented Dubai's reputation as a global tourist destination. Another key factor in Dubai's wealth accumulation is its emphasis on innovation and technology. The city has embraced cutting-edge advancements in various fields, such as smart cities, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence. Initiatives like Dubai Internet City and Dubai Silicon Oasis have attracted tech startups and entrepreneurs, creating a vibrant ecosystem for innovation. Dubai's infrastructure is renowned for its excellence. The city boasts state-of-the-art airports, an efficient transportation system, modern healthcare facilities, and world-class educational institutions. This robust infrastructure has facilitated trade, attracted businesses, and improved the quality of life for residents and expatriates. Dubai's favorable tax policies have also contributed to its prosperity. The absence of personal income tax, corporate tax exemptions in certain sectors, and a straightforward regulatory framework have made the city highly attractive to businesses and investors. Over the years, Dubai has emerged as a global financial hub. The presence of multinational banks, financial institutions, and the Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, has facilitated international transactions and positioned the city as a leading financial center in the Middle East. Dubai's commitment to hosting global events and exhibitions has significantly contributed to its wealth. The city has successfully organized high-profile events like the World Expo, attracting millions of visitors and creating lucrative business opportunities. And there you have it. Dubai's remarkable journey from a modest fishing village to a global economic powerhouse is the result of visionary leadership, strategic planning, economic diversification, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Dubai's extraordinary wealth. To fully grasp the magnitude of Dubai's wealth, let's delve deeper into some specific factors that have played a crucial role in its success. One of the key advantages Dubai possesses is its strategic geographic location. Situated at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa, Dubai acts as a vital link for international trade and commerce. Its proximity to emerging markets and its excellent connectivity through air and sea have enabled Dubai to become a global logistics and transportation hub. Dubai's success story is also shaped by its commitment to fostering a business-friendly environment. The city's government has implemented a range of measures to attract foreign direct investment, FDI. These include tax incentives, streamlined business registration processes, and favorable regulations that encourage entrepreneurship and innovation. Another significant factor contributing to Dubai's prosperity is the establishment of free trade zones. These zones offer numerous incentives to businesses, such as 100% foreign ownership, tax exemptions, and simplified customs procedures. Companies operating within these zones benefit from enhanced logistical support, allowing them to operate more efficiently and cost-effectively. Dubai's success in the tourism and hospitality industry cannot be overstated. The city has spared no expense in developing world-class infrastructure and attractions to entice visitors from around the globe. From luxurious hotels and resorts to captivating entertainment options, Dubai has created an unparalleled destination for tourists seeking opulence and adventure. Dubai's reputation for safety and stability has also been instrumental in attracting investments and high-net-worth individuals. The city's strong legal framework, efficient law enforcement, and political stability have provided a secure environment for businesses and individuals alike, instilling confidence in its economic prospects. One cannot discuss Dubai's wealth without acknowledging the role played by its diverse and skilled workforce. The city has attracted professionals from various fields and nationalities, creating a melting pot of talent and expertise. This multicultural environment has fostered innovation, creativity, and knowledge sharing, driving Dubai's growth across industries. Dubai's commitment to education and research has been pivotal in building a knowledge-based economy. The city boasts world-class universities, research institutions, and innovation centers, attracting bright minds from around the world. The emphasis on education and continuous learning has nurtured a highly skilled workforce, further bolstering Dubai's economic success. Lastly, Dubai's relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation continues to propel its wealth. The city constantly strives to stay ahead of the curve, embracing emerging technologies and embracing forward-thinking initiatives. From sustainable practices to smart city solutions, Dubai aims to be a global leader in innovation, setting new benchmarks for progress. Dubai's journey to becoming a global economic powerhouse has been a remarkable one, driven by visionary leadership, strategic planning, economic diversification, and a commitment to excellence. Today, Dubai stands as a shining example of what can be achieved when a city has the ambition to dream big and the determination to turn those dreams into reality. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about Dubai's success story. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the